Just put it on the couch.
Alright, where could I put this? I can sit it in the window.
Hold it for now.
Okay.
Now we dump this out.
Yeah.
It came out like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Up. Like that. Something else is in there coming out too. So it goes like that.
Oh.
That's how she goes. I'll clean that off in a second. That comes off. This is a very, very important part. This is very, very important. This side goes in first. This one goes in. So when we put it on, you gotta go
Like that.
dust seal first.
Yeah. Then the thingy thing.
Bitch. Golden house.
Come on, bud.
No, honey, I'm going to get in 1 minute. My leg. You want to kiss my leg?
Dust seal. This side up.
Yeah, the one where the thing has to go to the top. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're right. Then this. Right? Then this. Then you take this shit off.
Mom's going to die. Thank God I didn't cut my...
Push it.
Yeah, I mean,
There you go.
I shouldn't have made it. It flew. I think it flew.
Oh, no, you hurt him.
So, honey, you hurt me? I was trying to help the motherfucker. You know what I mean? I was trying to help the motherfucker. Bent me and I threw that nigga like a football. He was bending too.
What time is it?
There we go.
What time
Now we
is
gotta oil everything else.
6:30?
5:30.
And then oil the top again. Oil the top.
One thing I'm gonna do that I didn't do last time, I think, is oil in here.
Just let me get up.
Yeah. You should, right?
Oh, you schmuck.
I want to get some time.
Schmuck.
Go with this.
That's it, right?
Yep.
We're good?
Okay.
Got water.
Alright. What are we using to bang it?
It's okay, baby.
I'm gonna hold it like that.
Oh, give it to me.
I'm gonna do the same fucking thing I did last time, but I need to get it.
All going in. Ray, you go back to my sister. Why is he? I don't know, man. Get the fuck out of here. The fuck. I'm my green one. There, look at the green one, son. I'm my green one. Take this one. Oh, my green one. No, you don't take my green one. No. Why didn't he sit on her chair, bro? You like that? Sit on her chair. Good. I can't tell somebody else to walk.
That's good. You want to pop off? Can you push it down a little bit? There we go.
I guarantee you, look at it the way I do it. You know, fucking shit. Wow,
Oh, wow.
What?
It's going right in.
No, it isn't.
It's not? Yep. A little more. Tiny.
Yeah. Perfect.
Now,
we just need to put that in. The little bolt right here can go up top. Put that on already.
wait, we don't need that yet. We gotta put this on first.
It doesn't need to, that doesn't matter, baby.
We should have oiled the last one. This one.
Huh?
Like oiled it inside.
That's that, right?
No, I think I have to tighten it.
Yeah.
You got the tools, everything.
Yeah, everything should be over there actually.